Good morning. As always, welcome to another episode of J&B Tuning. Today we're getting some makeover on this car here. We're gonna get some loudness and a little bit of weight loss there, I guess. So anyways, just stay tuned. I'll be right back. Today I have something for you here. I'm going to be working on some exhaust system. So guess what? I'll be showing you what I have here. We're going straight pipe with this baby. I have a Magnaflow system here that I'm going to be installing. It's going to be straight pipe all the way. No resonator, no muffler in the system, so it's going to be nice and loud. We'll be trying it out and see how it goes, and if I do like it, I'll keep it. If not, I'll put the old CBE back. Anyhow, I'll be keeping everything because I'm not sure how well I'm gonna like this baby, but guess what? We'll be working on this today, and today it'll be a lot louder and I'll be a lot lighter as well. So anyways, check back to you in a second. Now it's pretty much up in the air, sort of, and definitely what the next step will be here is to start working on getting that CBE out from here. So anyways, I'll keep the camera rolling here. Time to get this exhaust out, but something to hold exhaust while doing all the bolts. It's very critical. I'm gonna put this plastic bucket here to just help me hold it so it doesn't fall off on me, basically. Situation. So somewhere in the middle. Hangers are all off. I'm just gonna get the one last hanger in the middle there, and basically this whole thing will be ready to come out. pretty much almost there. Okay guys, almost ready to come out. What to do is move this baby out. Voila. That damn thing is fairly heavy. But anyhow. Alright folks, here's a replacement Magnaflow 3-inch pipe that we'll be installing here. As you can see, it's all straight pipe, a 3-inch all the way. So I'm going to do is for ease of removal. In the long run, I will put some anti-seize on the pipe here to kind of help us in the long run. Room to work here.
Here we go.
Yeah. Nice. Hangers in place. I have it dangled there for now. So I'll be needing some hanger on this end here. I'll have to get one of those hangers for sure because it's missing. But for now I'll just secure it this way just so I could fasten everything nicely. Yeah, that looks good. I will not fasten or tighten any of this clamps for now. I will situate everything in, and then I'll basically, if I like what I see, with a few adjustments, and then I'll basically just tighten everything out. So the next step would be to swap those hangers into that, and then we'll pretty much be ready to put it up. close the window for now. So what do you think? Very good.